So, says I want to load in tree planting here, go to the beginning, and I want to sync it with this song, Lion. And I want to sync it to pretty much the beat to everything I want to do. So, essentially, you gotta find where you do the thing or make the noise at. Let's actually mute this for a second. It's right there. I can do the same thing here, right before the noise. Not necessarily the visual, but the noise. So basically, you could either go and do that first before each of your individual noises, I mean, like this, using your keyframe so you get exact. I guess you could just go like this as well. Of course, you want to make sure you have a link on so you can do both with just one click. Okay, now when you finish that, all those clips cut, switch back over to select tool. Come back over here to the beginning, bring your music up so you can hear it. Now we need to find the beat that you want to go to. It's pretty obvious here. All right, so that's the beat. I'm going to move this out of the way for just a second. Try to pinpoint exactly where that beat is. I like to do this. So you can see how it rounds right here. It rounds off. This little condensed location, that's where the beat is. Right there. So that's where I'm going to sync it to. So we got all these sounds here. I'm going to bring these back into position. We're going to start right with the first one. Actually, the second one, I'm going to skip one. And right there, just like that. So because we cut right at the beginning of the frame here, you don't really need to see it. So you could just sync it with the video. And with it linked, if you just grab that, it'll grab both of them. So essentially, I'm going to link it up right here, play it over the beat. And I'm just going to drag and drop each one right over the beat. It's that simple. Just like so. And this is the result.